All right, hey, what's up, y'all? This is Paul C. Tiarena, nutritional therapist, lifestyle and performance coach in Vegas. And we are in the month of natural solutions. And this week in particular, we are talking about body care products. And that's stuff like, yeah, believe it or not, makeup. I got some info on it. Lotions and shampoos and conditioners and deodorants and toothpaste and things like that, all right? And just to give you an idea of what's going on for the rest of this year, or at least for the next few months, we have a 90-day plan that we're always kind of updating. And so this month is Natural Solutions Month, and then next month we have our Flexible Animal-Based Omnivore Month, which is going to be really awesome. It was a hit last year. We've refined it and made it better, so we're really excited about it. And then after that, what is that? That's July. And then in August, we're going to be talking about grounding, nature, being outdoors, camping and hiking, and all things nature and being outside, all right? Well, let's get back to body care. So our big purpose with our community and the people that we're working with, and especially our online community and our members, is to bring together people for who most of their lives have been lost and confused when it came to health, and that are now seeking clarity and confidence on these different health topics. And so we come together, we learn topics, we experiment together, and we support each other as we go throughout that entire process so that we can all be as healthy and happy and as comfortable in our bodies as possible, and so we can spread this message to other people. So a big part of this has got to be minimizing the toxins that we're exposed to. So why do we care about body care products? Well, we talk a lot about minimizing the toxins that we're exposed to from food, right? So we're always trying to choose real food, not processed food. We're always reading labels and checking ingredients. Maybe we're upgrading our food with organic and non-GMO purchases or something like that. But what about the stuff that you put on your skin? And some people would say, well, you know, my skin protects me from the stuff that I put on my skin. But think about a lot of the supplements and creams that we take that are supposed to be absorbed through the skin, you know, like hormonal replacement therapies and different kinds of creams that have minerals and things in it. Everything that you put on your skin has the potential to get inside your body, and actually through testing we see that a lot of chemicals that are put on the skin do show up in our tissues. And so everything that you put on your skin has to be scrutinized to some degree. And the problem is that the regulations that govern skincare products and the makeup industry are very different from the regulations that govern what goes into our food supply, which, by the way, we all know there's a lot of toxic stuff that gets in our food supply anyway. Imagine the stuff that gets into our skin stuff. All right, so in this talk, we're going to talk about the things to absolutely avoid. We're going to talk about simple and easy recipes for lotion, shampoo, deodorants, and toothpaste. And we're going to talk about the best store-bought options for those of us who don't really have the time or the urge to make our own stuff. And then we're going to talk about recommended makeup lines. Now, most of you probably know I dress up as a woman every year for Halloween, so I know what I'm talking about when it comes to makeup. Not really. I mean, I do sometimes dress up crazy, but what we've done for this part of it is actually reference a lot of the holistic health leaders that we follow and some women in our community that are really doing the due diligence in researching different makeup lines. And so we've got our recommendations there. And remember, the reason that we're doing all this is because we want to be healthy and happy as hell. All right, that's it. So to RSVP, we have a Crowdcast event. This is happening on Saturday versus previous Fridays at 10, Saturday at 10. All right, so you can go to our Crowdcast page, which will have the link in wherever it is that you're watching this. You can also go to our main website, superhumantransformation.com, and visit the calendar. You can RSVP through the calendar. When you RSVP, you can attend the event live at 10 a.m. on Saturday, or when you RSVP, that means you will also get the recorded video, all the resources, handouts, links, and things that we reference in the talk. It's going to be available. And if you are in our community, Superhumans United, you have access to all this stuff for free. You get a discount code and all that kind of stuff. But regardless, $20 for this freaking event, and I would consider it mind-blowing information. I think it's really useful, okay? All right, so I think that's all we got for you guys today. If you got any questions, let me know.